If you run coding agents, this matters. Conductor.com Markdown-native agent orchestration. Works with Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and Fredrika from the Cursor team just posted something that caught everyone's attention. Cursor's code review feature is now, quote, a much better experience than GitHub. Here's what that actually means. You can select a diff in the PR, ask Cursor why that change is there, or ask it to fix it on the spot. You can view videos and images of the result directly inside the review. You can test the changes straight from the browser. And they added Mark as viewed, link to preview, and a bunch more. Let's look at what they actually built. This is a 21-second demo from Fredrika showing the new review mode in Cursor. Watch how the diff on the left connects directly to an AI agent that can explain, fix, or test each change. The workflow is seamless. No context switching. No copy-pasting code into a separate chat. The AI is embedded in the review surface itself. And you can view the actual visual output of a change, not just read the code diff. That's a massive improvement over GitHub's diff view. Now here's where Conductor OSS comes in. Cursor handles individual review sessions brilliantly. But what if you're running 5 reviews in parallel across 5 different agents? What if you're managing a team where one agent writes the code, another reviews it, and a third tests it? That's where Conductor gives you the orchestration layer that Cursor alone doesn't have. Conductor OSS is a Markdown-native agent orchestrator. It manages coding agents in parallel using tmux sessions and Git work trees for full isolation. You write tasks in a Kanban board, agents pick them up, they open pull requests, the board updates. The Rust backend handles file watching, SQLite state, and agent spawning with sub-second startup. Here's the workflow in practice. You open a pull request, the diff gets reviewed by Cursor or Claude Code or Codex. Meanwhile, Conductor dispatches the next task in your queue. Each agent works in its own isolated Git work tree so nothing steps on each other. The board shows real-time status. When Cursor finishes a review, Conductor moves the card forward and triggers the next agent. You get the best of both worlds. Cursor's review UX plus Conductor's orchestration layer. Both tools stay fully local. No cloud lock-in. The GitHub repository has the full picture. Sharonik06/Conductor OSS. Rust backend for speed, Markdown-native boards as the source of truth, MCP Tools, and GitHub webhooks for CI integration. It works with Claude Code and Codex out of the box and with Cursor too. You can trigger Cursor reviews via webhook when a PR is opened, route that task through Conductor, and have the results posted back automatically. The website is conductros.com. Open app.conductros.com, pair one machine, and manage all agent work from any browser. Conductor OSS is open source. It's 15 stars and growing on GitHub. The setup is simple. One command install. The board watcher reads conductor.md, dispatches tasks to your agents, and tracks everything in Markdown files you already own. No proprietary database. No SAS dependency. Everything version controlled. Whether you're doing solo development or running a team, Conductor scales with you. Conductros.com, GitHub at Sharonik06/Conductor OSS. Works with Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and all coding agents. Fully local. No cloud dependency. Star the repo. Try the